Another question.
Yes, please.
Somebody told me that when you go to Egypt, there's a certain museum, you can find the body of pharaoh. I don't know whether it's correct or not.
You can do what?
You will see the body of pharaoh.
That's right. It is in the Egyptian museum.
Yeah.
Yes. This is correct. This body of Pharaoh, the one who challenged Hazrat Moses and who was drowned, this was discovered in the mummified form, and once it was taken to England and was kept for a while in the British Museum. But later on, when Egypt got its freedom from the British rule, after a while they insisted that the body of the Pharaoh was the property of the Egyptian people, so it must be returned to them. So the British government ultimately succumbed to the demand, and now it is in the possession of the Egyptian government somewhere in Cairo. Perhaps it was the same Pharaoh whose body was flown to Paris for treatment once, only a few years ago, because it was said that some fungus growth was observed which may have destroyed the body if not treated in time. So there was, paucity of scientific know-how in Egypt. So they transferred the corpse to Paris, and here it was treated and perhaps returned. I don't know the rest of it. Any other question, or are you feeling hungry now?